Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that is of great interest to many people who are looking to make money online. It is called affiliate marketing. In this video, we actually discuss 3 things basically. Number 1, what is affiliate marketing? How does it work? And how can you get started? So if you're interested in making money online with affiliate marketing, stay with me from beginning to the end of this video as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald and maybe Gerald Making Money Online. Actually, I'm Africa's #1 affiliate marketer. I'm going to be explaining exactly what affiliate marketing is, hoping that you can understand these things. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you other videos I've made previously on how you actually make money with affiliate marketing. So it's important for you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you are watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where businesses pay people, affiliates, a commission for promoting their products or services to potential customers. There are different affiliate marketing platforms available, such as ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all those platforms. I've actually made series of videos on these platforms, and I'm going to be linking all those videos in the description of this video below. Now, these platforms act as a middleman between businesses and affiliates, providing a way for businesses to promote their product to a wider audience and for affiliates to earn a commission for promoting those products. So we affiliates typically promote products through various channels, such as blogs, social media platforms, or email marketing. When someone clicks on their unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission for driving that sale. Affiliate marketing is more or less like a referral program. Now let me explain what this means. Imagine you are a fan of a particular restaurant and you recommend it to your friends. If they go to have a meal there, the restaurant may offer you a discount on your next visit as a thank you for referring new customers. This is very similar to how affiliate marketing works. The affiliate, most likely you, promotes a product or service to your audience. And what happens is that once they actually make a purchase or buy something by clicking on your unique affiliate link, you're going to be getting a commission instantly. Another way I like to explain affiliate marketing is just like being a salesperson for a company. So imagine you work for a company selling a product and you earn a commission on every sale you make. Affiliate marketing is very similar, except the affiliate is not an employee of the company. In this case, as an affiliate, you are an independent promoter of this particular product. So once a sale is made from your marketing effort, this company pays you a commission. It's that simple. I sincerely hope that you do understand it now, but if you don't, let me know in the comment section. I will not mind to actually explain it to you guys. So what I'm trying to say is that a lot of persons do mistake affiliate marketing for ClickBank or affiliate marketing networks. No. These things are not affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not ClickBank. It is not JVZoo. It is not Warrior Plus. It is not Digistore24. These things are affiliate marketing networks, which means that a product owner can actually put their product right there and an affiliate will come there and begin to promote these affiliates. So these platforms are like middlemen between the vendors and the affiliates. Now, vendors here means product owner. This brings me to something else called independent affiliate programs. A very good example is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is an independent affiliate program. What this means, I can go to your website, set up an account, copy your affiliate link and start promoting. Now, they are not affiliated to any affiliate network, and there are lots and lots of platforms like this. As a matter of fact, there are actually more platforms like this than those ones that are on affiliate networks. So how do you get started as an affiliate marketer? There are 2 things that you can do. You can either go to one of these affiliate networks, ClickBank, JVZoo, and set up an account, grab your affiliate link and begin to promote. That's one. Or you can go to an individual platform that has an affiliate program and register for the affiliate program. A very good example is Jumia.com. Now, Jumia.com has an affiliate program, right? You just go to Jumia and search for Jumia KOL or Jumia affiliate program. You're going to be seeing the affiliate program. Set up an account, copy your affiliate link, and begin to get your friends to actually buy stuff on Jumia using your affiliate link, and you're going to be getting the commission. Another interesting independent affiliate program is a website like Builderall, where I've actually made over $16,000, right? All you need to do is to recommend Builderall to your friends, and once they actually make a purchase on Builderall, they're going to be getting the commission. Another interesting one that I've tried personally is a website called wakanow.com. Now, Wakanow is a website that you can actually use to book flights, hotel, holidays, and stuff like that. So if you have a friend who wants to book a flight to New York, for instance, right? So what you need to do is to set up an account on Wakanow affiliate program, copy your link, give it to your friend. Your friend clicks on this unique link, goes to wakanow.com, books a flight. Wakanow is going to give you a commission for that singular action. Now, that's how easy it is to start affiliate marketing. Another good question you might have is, how do you promote your affiliate links? This is where your creativity and marketing skills come into play. You can create blog posts, social media posts, videos, other types of content that promotes the products you've chosen. As a matter of fact, I've actually made videos previously on how to actually promote your affiliate links. I'm going to be linking that video, like I said, in the description of this video below. So just click on it and learn exactly how to promote your affiliate link effectively. Now, once you started promoting your affiliate links, as people begin to click on your unique affiliate link and make purchases, you will start earning a commission for those sales. You can also track your earnings and sales data through the affiliate marketing platform's dashboard. And finally, when you have earned enough commission, you can request a payout from the affiliate marketing platform or the program that you are promoting. Depending on the platform, you may get paid via PayPal, check, direct bank transfer, or other means. And that's exactly how easy it is to make money with affiliate marketing. That's what I do for a living, and I've actually made a lot of videos showing you guys exactly how you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result that I've been getting all these years. Now again, let me talk more about how you can actually start affiliate marketing. The first step is to choose a niche or industry that you are interested in and have some knowledge about. This will make it easier to create content and promote products. Once you have decided the niche that you want to actually focus on, you can now sit down and start looking for affiliate programs, right, that has the kind of products that people in your niche would actually want to buy. Let's say, for instance, you're a web designer. You will do very well promoting web hosting services like Bluehost, Hostinger. Let's say you are a fashion person, you can do well by promoting fashion items on maybe Jumia.com or Amazon.com or wherever. Let's say your focus is growing people's social media pages. Now, there are tools out there that you can actually promote. Or you are in the SEO business, you can begin to promote things like SEMrush, stuff like that, and you can get recurring commission every single month. There are so many affiliate marketing platforms available, so be sure to research them and find the one that's right for you. As a matter of fact, you can register on all of them. Right? I have like a lot of platforms that I'm registered on and I'm promoting actively, and I'm making money on all of these platforms. Now, after you've signed up on these affiliate programs and you have copied your affiliate link, the next thing is for you to start promoting. And this video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to promote your affiliate links and make money online with affiliate marketing, guys. So until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.